Now, the crucial floor test in Uttarakhand Assembly to decide the political fate of former Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, Harish Rawat, concluded a short while back. Supreme Court will receive the results of the voting in a sealed envelope tomorrow. The Apex Court had appointed Principal Secretary Jaidev Singh to oversee the floor test proceedings in the Assembly. 9 rebel Congress MLAs did not vote as the Supreme Court yesterday upheld their disqualification.
ठीक सुप्रीम कोर्ट के हिसाब से विधानसभा पीठ के अनुसार 11 बजे प्रक्रिया प्रारंभ हुई है और सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जो रूल और जो नियम जो थे उसी के प्रक्रिया के तहत प्रारंभ प्रक्रिया चली और सब ने अपना हाथ खड़ा करके मत दिया है। सभी ने अपनी अंतरात्मा से दिया है और वो बंद लिफाफों में है। कल सुप्रीम कोर्ट उसको ओपन करेगा, रिजल्ट कल सामने आएगा।
प्रक्रिया अभी चल रही है क्या?
And after the exclusion of the 9 disqualified MLAs, the Assembly had an effective strength of 61 members. Of that, the Congress had 27 MLAs on its own. Rawat needed the backing of 31 MLAs for a simple majority. The BJP had 28 MLAs, while there are 2 BSP MLAs, 1 of Uttarakhand Kranti Dal and 3 independents. Well, ahead of the vote, Congress leader Rekha Arya was seen coming with BJP MLAs, hinting at the shifting of sides at this crucial time. Well, now the voting is over and the results will be declared in a couple of days' time by the Supreme Court.